Welcome back, guys, to another episode of the channel update series. This is actually episode 25, so we're already a quarter there to the 100 or something. Pretty interesting. I mean, I don't think that we will make it until then, but whatever. This is now for March of 2020. What a crazy month, just to put it that way. I'm fine, personally. My family is fine. The people I know are fine, and this is, I think, the important thing for now. I hope that you're all also fine. So I'm not going to talk a lot more about the current situation because you're probably not here to hear about that. You're here to watch what I've been up to or whatever. And let's just start directly with Pexteria. So there were a lot of things that happened on Pexteria. For example, the winner for the underground building contest got announced. That was Mushroom X 420, so congratulations here. I'm in the middle where you belong, right? The middle is the best spot as always. And then there's like a glass dome that popped up. Cookieville is now basically this glass dome, which is 2,000 blocks away from spawn and connected with the railway, so that's pretty nice. The Colosseum and many other huge buildings. We can maybe take a look at the DNAP here real quick. Let's go to like the 3D view. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that happened here. A lot of new buildings, big and small. Some new districts popped up here, and yeah, this cathedral is too large, so you can't really see that, but there's also like a small little pleb district here and a big regal district over here built by Explore. Yeah, he spent a lot of time on the server the past month. Yeah, so it's still going pretty strong, I would say. We're building a lot of big stuff, huge stuff even. And I'm really happy with how it's going so far. I wasn't really playing a whole lot on the past month for reasons that I will talk about in just a second here. But just today I finished this little, not really finished, I mean the outside is kind of finished, but this is a little train depot, or how you're going to call that. Even with like a turny thing there. And I extended the railway here really far. And yeah, I think this was also there already in the last episode. But there's now a nice huge bridge that spans the entire sea here, and also this nice underground tunnel and everything. So yeah, the railway is definitely getting pretty big. The next big thing is going to be the connection to Paxadam. And then, I don't know, maybe Paxendorf or something. We'll see. Okay, next thing up is programming stuff. So I spent a lot of time programming. Let's take a look at our commits that we've made in the past month, and whoop. That's, I mean, a few, but not too many. I was mostly just ripping out old code and doing stuff like that. But there's actually a different kind of branch here, and if you look into this branch, then you'll be able to see that, well, there are a couple of commits in here, and that's just for the heck of it. Pull request, and 20 commits, and as you can see, 57 change files with 4,000 blah additions and 3,800 deletions. So yes, I've been working quite a lot here, so I'm re-architecting essentially the entire thing. Which means that I'm basically just touching every single line of code, and I'm more clearly putting things into their own components. I mean, it's not really like very separated or anything. I'm not using like any crazy stuff that would really just like separate it. But I'm still making and building a little bit more of separation that is not really enforced by anything other than, well, my own discipline But I think that's fine for now, and it was definitely due for some change, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm touching basically everything, because that's the problem when you do your first project in like ever, actually. I mean, it's my first real like programming project, and my first project in JavaScript at that, or Node.js. Yeah, so my amount of knowledge at the beginning and my amount of knowledge now are vastly different. So yeah, and I definitely saw that going through like old code and seeing like how I made things a bit different and dumber, and now I'm just making everything consistent. I'm not saying that I'm a good programmer now, I'm still far from it, but I think this is now a good time for kind of leveling everything out. And yeah, this will make it hopefully easier to implement more features in the future. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty far ahead now. I am going to be done within the next month for sure. So maybe in the next episode of the channel update series, you will be getting some other nice upgrades from me. Updates. And let's take a look at YouTube then. Paxteria is first. Yeah, well, let's go back to the videos actually. And there's also a scheduled video up there. Interesting. That's not from me for sure. So we're doing more projects here. Yeah, so like the Forgotten Tower version 2 by Explore. The Colosseum timelapse, which is really cool. Really cool building as well. A big mansion, and the cathedral, which is just massive. All projects by Explore and videos by Explore. And then there's my video where I just built a park in my backyard. So yeah. Oh wow, the Colosseum video has over 100 views now. It's the first of the new videos. But yeah, that's pretty good. Nice. And there's also going to be a cinematic challenge happening very soon. I think I may have teased this already a few months ago here on this channel. But basically it didn't happen for reasons, and now we are doing it. Yeah. Analytics. What are the analytics like for March? People watched the video 248 times. Wow. Nice watch time of 6.9 hours. And plus 8 subscribers. Yeah, you can really see the effect. Each video brings 1 new subscriber. That's kind of nice. But yeah, there are many days with like close to 0 views. And that has to change for sure. Advanced mode. Oh yeah, this is advanced mode. Right. Reach. 2.4 thousand impressions, 6% impressions click-through rate. Why is there? Was recalibrated. Okay. Views went up by 2%. Unique viewers went up by 103%. 2.4 thousand impressions from YouTube recommending your content. That's not a whole lot. A lot of traffic sources from search. It's cool. Channel pages. External is probably Discord and YouTube and the Minecraft forum, so that's kind of cool. Why is this up there? Okay, great. YouTube search, Minecraft Colosseum, Minecraft Cathedral. Yeah, so people are just searching for that sort of stuff apparently, and then finding these videos, which is pretty cool. Watch time went down by 50%. Average video duration also by quite a bit. I mean, the videos we released this month were also a lot shorter, so that's probably the reason for that. Yeah, let's just go to, that's the wrong way, dang it, to Thetix Tech. Okay. Well, the last video has done better than all other videos apparently. That's great. So here I released 2 videos. I mean, oh yeah, March 31st. Oh, thank God, that was close, real close, but I made it. I mean, it was done already on March 30th. I just didn't have the time to like watch through it again and publish it and everything. And yeah, so this was the little mini series about my Raspberry Pi kind of thing, where I first got myself a new VPN server, which is, running on my actual server now, not on the Raspberry Pi anymore. And then I used my Raspberry Pi and 4 external 8TB hard drives to build a NAS, which, spoiler alert, is not a great idea. And so there's going to be another video on Saturday or Sunday, how I'm going to install these 4 external hard drives in my actual server with going to shuck them. So yeah, you should watch the video about more information on that. I hope that I will be able to get it done. I still need one little part. I had to order like 3 things, and 2 of these things are already there since last week, which is kind of great. I ordered them now on the past Sunday, basically, so like 1.5 weeks ago, basically. And already a week ago, like 2 of the things arrived, and now I'm just missing the last one, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday, and that's the last day I'll be able to receive that before the cinematic challenge happens. And I'm not going to have a lot of time during the cinematic challenge, so yeah, let's hope this thing arrives tomorrow, which apparently it should. Yeah, exactly. So that's that with videos, and I'm probably not going to do any more videos the next month. I will need to do some more of the NetData series here also, but time is a bit of a problem, to put it lightly. Also, as you can see, Explore has made some thumbnails here for me, so these actually do look nice, not like that crap done here. I'm fine with these, right? This is just a tutorial series, but yeah, I'm pretty happy about these thumbnails actually. Analytics. Let's go into March. 159 views, that's not a whole lot. 6.1 hours of watch time, so that's almost equal to Bacteria. 5 subscribers. Reach 1.3 thousand impressions. That went up by quite a bit. Click through it, but 8.7% is actually not that bad. Lots of stuff coming from YouTube search here as well. Feedly.com, whatever that is. Just videos. Install NetData on NAS Synology. Okay. YouTube search NetData, Raspberry Pi, PiNAS, NAS server, Brittuno. So that's kind of great that people are finding that through their engagement. Average view duration went up by 1%, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, overall I think I can say about this channel, I need to make more videos, so yeah, that's basically it. And then last but not least, there is the TXT channel, and as you can see, my last video was the channel update about February 24. That means that I haven't uploaded any other videos here this month. And spoiler alert, next month is probably going to be the same. I don't know, maybe with all the fallout from the cinematic challenge, maybe there's like some footage that I'll be releasing here, maybe some smaller stuff that isn't fit for the Pixteria channel. I don't know, we'll see, but probably not. Don't get your hopes up. Videos, yeah, wow. I released a total of 4 videos this year already. Like that's crazy, right? Oh yeah, I know we didn't look at the individual video performance here, but -2 subscribers, nice. So this is going great. 1.2% click-through rate. This thumbnail is surely helping a whole lot. Okay, let's take a look at analytics here though. Yeah, that's already a lot more promising here. Oh, it's kind of sad here. Like you don't do anything, and yet 3.3 thousand views, 238 hours of watch time, plus 10 subscribers. Better in any way here as the other two channels, almost combined even, apart from like subscriber change. But yeah, minor details. Top videos: mixing the circuit network and trains. Setting a Victoria headless server. Wow, this video is doing performance as usual, I guess. Wow, 344 hours of watch time. That's crazy. Engagement, yeah, 450. Like, that's not too bad. I mean, the video is pretty long, so there's kind of that. And it's about Windows and Linux. Most people probably are only interested in one of the two, but yeah, 33.8 thousand impressions. Oh yeah, these are good numbers. Google search, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is just a lot more consistent, a lot more. Let's put it that way. Still zero revenue though. Let's just maybe take a look at 2020 as a whole. 10,000 views, nice. 805 hours of watch time, plus 51 subscribers. So from the looks of it, I might be actually able to... No, I'm not. Looking at the last 90 days, 50 subscribers. I think watch time wise, I might be able to already monetize, right? Like past 365 days, we are not well over 4,000. I think we need 4,000 hours of watch time. So that's not it, sadly. And I need another year of subscriber change here if we're continuing at the current rate. I'm not even like getting a whole lot of money from this channel if I would be able to monetize it anyways. So yeah. Like if you would go by like the kind of the rule of thumb that's $1 per 1,000 views, I would be getting like a whole $42 for the past year. And like my kind of videos here are not that easy to monetize. I think like I probably wouldn't have the best CPM. Yeah, and I guess we have to definitely look at one video here, and that's the video that I made. Plus 1 subscriber. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot of action here. Let's take a look maybe at the Colosseum video, not details, dang it. Analytics. Yeah, that's doing pretty well. 2 hours of watch time. I mean, underperforming at first, but it's a 2-minute video, so view duration is also not too shabby here. I mean, again, it's a 2-minute 50 video. Yeah, a lot of YouTube search here for sure. Okay, but I think this is it then for this month. So see you all in April, hopefully. I mean, who knows how this all develops, right? The current situation that we're all in. So stay safe, guys. See you all in April, I guess. Bye bye.